Top of the good afternoon to you, everybody. How are you today? Alright, just finished work, come home. I was going to do it this morning, ran out of time. I'm going to try these Falscara. I don't know where you buy them out of Australia, but in Australia, in a big W. They're not cheap, they're only 50 bucks. And they come like this. I don't understand the concept because I think it's just easier to put a strip lash on, but let's give it a go. My hubby bought them for me, so I'm definitely going to give them a go and see if I can get them to work. So you apply the bond, which is at one end. No, that's the wrong end. You apply the bond, which is at this end. Okay, bond with both. So you apply this to your actual lash, like you would mascara. Just going to bring my mirror in here. Why? But I'm nervous. It's an awesome little applicator, actually. And they said a little goes a long way, so you don't have to go too far with it. Now we're going to grab our little applicator, Kiss applicator. We're going to grab a lash. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 5 on each side, and I've just dropped it. Blooper. Oh, seriously. Okay, there's 5 of these for each eye. So now they're saying put it under your lash, not on top of your lash. This could be funny. Alright, so let's give this a go. Right, next one. And coming under. Oh no, it is working. Can you guys see that from that angle? This is pretty trippy. Alright, number 3. I won't fit 5 across on my eye. My eye is not that wide. I normally shorten eyelashes anyway. So number 3. They're quite wispy. Oh, I don't mind them. You can see the difference from one eye to the other. What I can't see is the advantage of this, seeing as it takes more work than just putting on one. That's all I would probably put on. I've still got one on this side to do. I'm going to do a bit of a wear test. I'm back from work and it's not quite 2 o'clock. So they're quite cute. They're quite wispy and they're naturally turned up so that you don't need to use an eyelash curler. And then to seal it in place and get any bond out of the way, they said. It's a seal with vitamin E. So the other end of it is a sealer with this little wand on it. And then you just go over the top. They are quite cute. Alright, I'm just going to apply the other eye and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay folks, they are on. So these are, again, called Falscara, the new way to lash. Let's see how long they last. Let's see what they're like to take off. Are they reusable? I might watch a video on them. So this is apparently to seal them into place. They're quite lovely. Little flutter eyes. But that did take me a good 10-15 minutes to, you know, put them on. Maybe you get quicker at them, I don't know. Brow lamination's going pretty awesome. I'm really loving it. Alright, that's about it for today. I will come back and tell you about them later. I will wear them for the rest of the day and just see how they go, whether any fall off. And I shall come back and update you. Alright, catch us again soon. Mwah. Hey peeps, it's been around 5 hours since I've had these little Falscara lashes on, and look, they sit on really well. I haven't had any issues at all. Let's see how hard it is to take them off. Oh, not very hard to take off. I don't think the time it takes to put them on, it's not worth it for me. I would not. Oh, here we go. Doesn't take much to take them off, to be honest. So that's it's pretty easy. It's not hard. It's just I don't see the difference between a strip lash. Look at that. There's nothing wrong with them. They just don't suit me. I just don't think there's something that I will use again. So that's just my personal opinion. You may feel totally different. You know, that's what this is all about. Sharing our experiences and our opinions, and yeah. And the last one. Bang! That's about it for me today. I am calling it a day. Alright, thank you as always for tuning in. You are absolute legends, and I will catch you again soon. Bye bye.